In this problem, they want to determine the values of x for which this equation is true. Now, the way they've designed it, you really can't do this with a calculator because anything to the 2018 power is just way too big. So, in order to solve this, what we have to do is we have to say, all right, let's call this something. Let's call it a. Now, this is the same as this quantity, so ax plus a equals. Now, if you look here, this is this backwards. So that means this is the opposite of that, because here 20 to the 2018 is positive, here it's negative. Here 18 to the 2018 is negative, here it's positive. So this is negative a. And so all we're doing is we're solving this equation for x. So to get it by itself, we'll subtract a from both sides. So that means negative a and negative a is negative 2a. So to get x by itself, we divide both sides by a. And a's cancel here, but they also cancel here. So the value of x is negative 2. There's our answer, and we're done.